Hi guys! Yeah, we're still in my kitchen and I am getting ready to prep some oxtail, which we got from our local farmer. But what I'm gonna do is jerk my oxtail. I'm gonna use some jerk. Well, I'm gonna finish off pretty similar to how we usually do oxtail, but I'm gonna use jerk seasoning and I am gonna cook it in a slow cooker. Oh, we don't have to fry the oxtail before we stew it, right? Come along with me. It will all work out in the end. I have my package here, which we got from our local farmer. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to cook the whole. No, you know what? I'm gonna take out a couple of pieces because I have a few more pieces in there, and all we need is one each. It's a family of 4. I have a few pieces in here, so what I'm gonna do is take out a couple of the smaller pieces so that I will have for another day. As a matter of fact, there are like 4 big chunks in here, so I think all I need are the 4 big chunks. So I am just gonna leave 2 little pieces with the 4 big chunks, and I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. So by now, you know, we wash our meats, right? We wash everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my meat right now. So I have used my Jamaica Joe jerk seasoning to season the meat, and now I'm just gonna get the meat in the slow cooker. And I turn it up to high. Because I want everything to be touching the bottom of the pot. So now all I'm going to do is put a little hot water in the bowl, shake it around, and pour it in. And that's it for now until I check back later. Now it's been going now for about 2 hours. So I'm putting in my onions and garlic. And I'm also going to put some pepper in. Just put some broad beans in the pot. Thought the camera was on, but it was off. So yeah, guys, it's almost done cooking. Soft enough for me to put the broad beans in, and I didn't put the broad beans in earlier because it's pre-cooked, and I didn't want everything to get all mushy in the pot. Okay, so that's where we're at now. Yeah, it's all ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and dish up some oxtail and basmati rice